Guys, I'm holding on to this trade. I took this trade because, as in a way, it looks like a counter trend trade. Gold is looking more bearish than bullish, of course, but this is a bullish. This is a demand zone at this very points, 500, 5,000. They have liquidity at this point. Market cleared it already, and I'm entering at this point. So I'm taking this very short buy just to this place, 200 pips, 1 to 2 reward ratio. Just a 200 pips trade, and I'm cool with it. So before the sell continues, that is the buy I'm taking. It might backfire because I just sell all the way into my sell. But let's see how that plays out. And of course, the SY is looking on the 4 hours. The SY is very bearish. On the 4 hours, the SY is very bearish. The SY is very bearish on the 4 hours, right? Although on the 15 minutes time frame, we look more like we're having a retracement back to the upside, holding out to this zone, right? But I feel we should see sell continuation on the SY. So for that reason, I think our buy is still being justified. Our buy is still being justified, right? So let's see how that turns out. It's a counter trend trade, but it's not something very much of an expectation. Not a very short move. Yeah, not a very short move. 200 pips, we are out. 200 pips, we are out, right? So you can risk it with me if you have what it takes. You can risk it with me, right? So let's see how this goes. So I'm buying at this point. If you have what it takes, you can join it. All right. If you have what it takes, you can join it. You can join it. I'm going to hold on to this trade, and I will update you. Just keep, just be active. Yesterday, I was expecting gold to break out of this zone, and we did. We did break out of this zone, right? Market retracement is supposed to be a continuous buy to the upside. Market did that. We retraced at the very point, went back to this point, then sells to the downside. Now sells to this point we are currently. Market is. I feel that we should see a must buy to the upside before we see another sell, except market does otherwise. So, in my opinion, it should be quite bullish on gold for now. In my opinion, a little. And of course, we are still ranging within this zone, so we are still ranging inside this box right now. We are still ranging inside this box, so there's nothing much. There's nothing much. It's quite a risky one, but at the end, it might just worth it. At the end, it might just worth it. So this zone is quite an interesting zone. All the way back here, market reacted to this zone yesterday. So this is one reason why I'm holding on to this zone for a short buy to the upside. All right. So it's quite a lot of confluences. Quite a lot of confluences confirming this buy for me on a short while. But let's see how it ends. Let's see how it ends, guys. Let's see how it ends. All right. So let's go. 120 pips stop loss, 220, 210 TP. It's risky, but let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So see you later. I'll just leave the chat open, and you can join the trade. You can, or you should, if you have what it takes. If you can, you should. Just a very short trade. Short but risky, by the way. The short risky trade, alright? So I'm just looking out for something like this. Something like this. This is what I'm looking out for. Then sell to this point. Then probably a buy. Then a sell. That's if the SY stops selling. Alright? This should be the scenario. If the SY stops selling, this should be the scenario. Alright? But let's see. We might even hit SL before then. So this is kind of what I'm looking out for right now. What I'm looking out for on this trade. Alright. So stay tuned, guys. Ask your questions. I'm gonna reply to them all. Alright. So yeah, see you later. All right, guys. So it seems we are back at a buy because DSY is dropping back, right? DSY is dropping back. Gold seems to be back up. I think this trade should take us back to the upside already. So there's no fear for now. Oh, you use Xnet and they don't pay you. I don't have. I've never had issue with their. I don't have. I've never had issue with withdrawal, right? I've never had issue with withdrawal on Xnet. So it depends on. I don't know what you're doing. If now this is what happens. If you are using your Xnet account for just withdrawals without trading with it, they are going to probably stop you from withdrawing because they will think you are using the account for money laundering, right? So the dollar hen in a day is that question is not something I could just disclose because, or I could just say directly because I don't trade every day. Number one, number two, market doesn't give this opportunity. So and it depends on the accounts I trade at the moment. So but on a new Xnet account, there's nothing much, just your uh, ID card, yeah, and your proof of residency. Oftentimes they use NEPA bill or bank statements, your normal bank statement for proof of residency and your ID card, right? So I'm in Nigeria, by the way, so I don't know what they require over there from you, but I think the requirement is general. The requirement is general, all right? The requirement is general. So I don't think there's any specialty in requirement. So your ID card and your national ID card and your proof of they use bank statements for proof of residence or they use your NEPA bill, whatever it is, yeah, utility bill, yeah. So there's nothing much. There's nothing much. I hope you can hear me, please. I really hope you can hear me. This is a must. Now, tell me, brother. Yeah, the spread on BTC and the other cannot be really be controlled by you, really. So it depends on the account you open with them. Depends on the account you open with them. So that is what determines the spread. So you have to look for a good broker that uses a good spread, that has a better spread, right? And I don't have any issue with Xness, with spread issues. When it comes to spread, I don't have any issues with Xness. Alright, I don't have any issues with Xness when it comes to spread. So Xness is a good broker, if you ask me, so you can use them. You can use them. So the only thing you do is that the time whereby you enter the trade matters as well. So for Xness in particular, for commodities, their spread are often very wide at market closure and early Asian session. Yeah, I don't have a specific group apart from my close mentees, but I'm just gonna drop my number and you reach me on Telegram. Alright, you can reach me on Telegram. I'm gonna drop your number now. 090 333 84146. So you can reach me on Telegram on that number. Yeah, I do have fews, but for anybody that joins me on my live, I don't require you pay any fee. I just give you access to my, let me say, to my life or to my trading experience freely. So whenever you ask questions, you can always reach out to me. I will answer you. You don't need to pay anything. So as time goes on, I'm thinking of opening a group for all my subscribers, right? Where I could share trade ideas once in a while. So, but for now, you can just reach out to me on Telegram. As time goes on, I will add you all to a group, and you don't have to pay anything. But for now, you can reach me individually, ask me questions, and I will answer. All right? I will answer. I'm sorry about the background noise, by the way. I'm at work, currently, so the noise is gonna come on. So So I'm at work, and that's why I'm not very stable on the chat. That's why I'm not very stable on the chat. So drop your questions. Reach me on Telegram rather. I'll respond to them all. Reach me individually. Don't need to pay anything for now. So Mehad, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name very well. Just reach me on Telegram, and yeah, you can ask me any question regarding trading or maybe personal investments, right? Or make sure, yeah. You really want me to show you your accounts, bro? You're funny. You're funny. You can go back to all my previous videos. You will see if I trade real account or not. I had to do that I think last 2 weeks. Yeah, I had to connect my XNest to. I had to connect my MT5 to to my PC to show some persons that I doubted as well. So I've got nothing to prove to you, really. I've got nothing to prove to you. All right, so I'm not showing my real account for any reason. If you want to trust is it the account you really want to see, or is the process that leads to the profitability of the account? So I don't really get. The account is not the issue. The issue here is that I call a trade, analyze a trade, I call the trade, and you pick it. That's the issue. All right. So I'm not showing my accounts for any reason. All right. You don't need to. Oh gosh, this man is funny. Let us this. Mhm. Oh, you want to be sure if I called the trade and it was executed. By the way, I gave it to one of my students to enter the trade. And yeah, I can share his. Let me see if I can share my screen on this stuff. Uh, so, brother, I have nothing to prove to you. You should go back to all my videos. You will see if I share my executions or not. I barely share it, right? And I've not shared for the past 2 weeks. Yeah, so I guess that is okay by you. So we are waiting for for me to share my screen to show you my execution. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna do that. All right. All you need to do is to believe in the process. Back backward the video and see when I started analyzing this particular trade. Backward the video, the live, and see when I started. The reasons why I took this trade. All right. That will help you more, right? That will help you more. And I feel you shouldn't. It's funny, really. It's funny. It's funny. All right. Don't be like that, Mohammed. Muhammad. Oh, sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrongly. All right. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. I trade both prop firms and real account. Though currently, I'm not trading any prop firm at the moment. Yeah. I'm not trading any prop firm at the moment. Just live accounts for now. Just live accounts for now. All right. So yeah, the trade is still on and it's still looking quite okay, except the SY. Yeah, we need the SY to break below this point. We need $1 index to break below this point. This will confirm our sell continuation. Uh, All right, so the trade is still very active, and yeah, still very active. So after this, I might just take a chill. I might not be taking any trade on gold for a while until we see a reaction from this point. All right. So the SY needs to break below this point to continue the sell. The SY is still holding this zone. That is the issue. We need to break this zone. If the SY is buying from this zone again, the gold is going to fall. All right. But let's see how it ends. Let's see how it ends. All right.
No. I'm saying as you are going, like your car AC should be on because the gate has to be in. The gate is not soft. The gate is not soft. It has to be in. I open it and just be in the They say it don't stop already. Like when he was thinking it was soft, that's why he got. No, he said that before say what that was. I don't hear what. No, you don't get what he's trying to say. He talks.
Yeah, we don't have capital. You just well, you just stay consistent by checking the chart and refining your strategy, and you can raise capital to get a profit. Right, that is the quickest way to raise money for any trader right now. And by the way, you can also get a just get a source that can generate more income for you. Buy profits. If you have a strategy, profit is enough for you. Get a $5,000 profit with probably funded nest. That is the one I use for now. Though I don't trade with them currently, but anytime I'm still gonna buy accounts with them again. So a $5,000 account with funded nest is okay. It costs about $32 thereabout. So capital shouldn't be the issue at the end of the day. Just take your time, save up, buy the account, and I've been in that position. Yeah, it happens that way, right? But it's all part of the journey, guys. Wow, TP guys, TP guys, almost TP, almost TP, almost TP. That means let's see, almost TP guys. Let me take this screenshot. So you can reach me on Telegram, the one that asked for the execution. You can reach me on Telegram. I'm going to share you the screenshots of one of my students' trade and not even mine. All right. If you really want to see it, reach me on Telegram. I'll send you the screenshots. I'll send you the screenshots. So that is the only way I can show you proof, which I don't see as necessity, really. I don't see as necessity. All right. That should be something that I need to show you to prove my expertise. All right. But if you really want to know, reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out. So that is TP for us, guys. That was the fast one and impressive one for that matter. That's quite a fast one, guys. So I guess let's check the SY. Has it broken that point? Not really. Gold is just being good. That is interesting. Gold is just being good, guys. And yeah, I love that. I love that. I love that. So I'm just gonna call one of my students to close it. Now we set TP of course, but our TP was 18, but gold ejecting from this point already is very, very tricky. Let me call him. He'll probably hear me on live. Yeah, since you want proof. Yeah, you can start with $100. $100 is a great one for startup. Yeah, it's a lot. We have a good strategy. Hello, sir. Yeah, it got to our TP at 17, but I don't know if TP is clicked already. I don't know. Yeah, how much is it? 17. I feel it should go back up, but we are this close. I wouldn't want a situation whereby we miss out of this completely again. All right. Yeah, so let's close it and we'll move from there again next time. All right. Okay, sir. I take care, sir. So I don't know if you heard that call. That was me calling my student. So you can trade with $100. $100 is a good start, guys. $100 is a good start. If you have a good strategy and you are sure of that, $100 is a good start. $100 is a good start. I just told my student to close out of this trade now. 200 pips. Oh, I miscalculated.
Okay.
Shit. So it was a quick tap in and tap out. So that was quite a quick one, guys. Not very quick. This more than took us about 2 hours. About 2 hours. I think I still expect more buy on gold. I still expect more buy on gold, right? Still expect more buy on gold. Alright. Expect more buy on gold. So yeah, Mohammed, $100 is a good capital to start with. But the question is, do you have an edge? Do you have a strategy that can help you maintain that $100? All right. So if that, for me personally, based on my strategy, for $100 account, I'll probably have about 10 attempts on that account. So that means because I risk 100 pips per entry, that is $10. So I can't lose 10 trades in a row. It's not possible. It's very unlikely to happen. So, and I risk $100 to make $20 plus. Exactly what I just did now. Though this one will risk for my students, he rates 12 pips. Yeah, to give us $20 plus. So that was exactly what we just did. And I told him to close it already just now. All right, so $100 is a big deal if you have an edge. All right, but if you don't have an edge, you have to learn first. You have to learn first. So gold is still going back to the upside. Gold is still moving to the upside. But I said it was just a counter trend trade, but it seems to work out at the end of the day. Seems to work at the end of the day. So I think I'm going to end the live session now. Because I'm not taking another trade right now. I'm not, and I have to work. I'm at work by the way, and I have to attend to certain works. All right. All right. So, any other question before I end the live? You reached your single. All right, so I'm going to end the live now. Yeah, I have to attend to other activities. So, guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribe. See you later. See you later. Maybe probably New Year's section. Yeah.